Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Welcome back to our classes. Today we are going to do page 56. Let's get down to business. So this page teaches you about the long vowels. Remember, we just finished the short vowels a, e, u. Now we are just making these ones longer. Okay, so look, for instance, the first one we have ha. So when you want to make a fatha long, you add an alif. So you say ha, ja, ra. You see, jara, ha, jara, and this is how it looks like. Ha, jara, ha, jara. Okay, so repeat this one like 20 times. Ha, jara, easy peasy. Ha, you see, this is ha, but it has an alif. Okay, it has ha with a fatha, and it has an alif, so you make it a little bit longer. Ha, not too long. Don't say ha like somebody here. You know yourself. Ha, wala, wala, ha, wala, ha, wala. Okay, so you see this one, ha, jara, ha, wala. Then look at this one, sa, fa, ra, fara, fara, sa, fara, sa, fara. This is how it looks like. Sa, fara, sa, fara. Easy peasy. Okay, then we have a. Look, ain with a fatha. Then it has an alif to make it long. A, ha, da, ahada, ahada. Okay, look, this is how it looks like. Ahada. So we have hajara, hajara, hawala, hawala, safara, safara, ahada, ahada. Now make it quicker. Okay, let's go to this other part here. Easy peasy. Okay, now look at this one. The second one is the one which is long. Okay, so whenever or wherever you see a letter is long, make it long. Like for example, this first one is not long, but the second one is long. The top ones that we did, the first ones were the one which were long. Okay, so this one, the second one, is the one which is long. Okay, so make this second one only long. Do, nothing is long. Okay, so we have nu, sa, idu, 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 nusa, idu. Look, this is how it looks like. Nusaidu, nusaidu. Remember, this is not a dhal. Dhal is a non-connector, but this one is a connector. It's connecting to sin. Okay, so this is nun. Nusaidu, nusaidu. Now look at this one. The first one is not long. The second one is long. The third and the fourth, they are not long. Okay, raka, raka. So we have ta, ba, taba. Look, ba with a fatha and an alif. You make it long. Taba, raka, raka, taba, raka. And remember, ra is heavy. Tabaraka, tabaraka, tabaraka. Then we have nu. Look at the nu. Nu. Then we have wow with a hamza and fatha and alif. So what do we do here? Remember, I want you to put this one in your head. Please never ever forget it. Okay? When you see a hamza, a wow carrying a hamza, or hamza is being carried by a wow, do not read the wow. Read the hamza. Read the hamza. Okay? So this is a. But it has an alif, so you make it long. A. A. Nu a. Nu a. Khidu. 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 Nu a. Khidu. Nu a. Khidu. Look, this is how it looks like. Nu a. Khidu. Please do not say nuwa. No. It's nu a. Khidu. Nu a. Khidu. Okay. Now look at this one. Ni. Okay, look at the scene. The second one is the one which is long. Nisa'a, 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 nisa'a. Look the noon. Look at the noon. Okay, remember, noon is a connector. and this is not a dhal, because a dhal is a non-connector. If it was a dhal, we wouldn't have the chance, or we wouldn't be able to join these two, right? So nisaa, I know it looks like a dhal, but it's not a dhal. Okay, nisaa, nisaa. Okay, now let's go to the last one here. Okay, easy peasy. So we have di ma. Look, which one is long? The second one here is long, and the last one also is long. Remember, what did we say about when you see a Hamza, wow carrying Hamza? What do we read? Do we read the wow or the Hamza? Remember, we read the Hamza. So we have dima, dima, u, dima, u, ha, dima, uha, dima, uha. Look, this is how it looks like. Dima, uha, dima, uha. Easy peasy. Dima, uha, dima, uha. Then we have bana. Look, the noon is the one which is long. Bana, tika, tika, tika. Bana, tika, bana, tika. Bana, tika, bana, tika, bana, tika. Inshallah, ma'asalama. See you on the next page. Make sure you understand this page, you get it, and the next pages are going to be easy. Remember, you have to do it faster, and for you to be able to do it faster, you have to practice the page, not once or twice, at least 10 times. Inshallah, watch the video also. Okay, ma'asalama. Thank you for watching.